KTB, yeah, FBA, my man, yeah, let's go. Right now, my vibes up, I'm getting on. There's no regrets if tomorrow never come. Cause this is my time, I let him go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in the ways I want to.
How you feel?
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
I know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without a fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell by the title, we will be working with a company that goes by the name ILikeHair. So thank you to ILikeHair for sponsoring today's video. So this is what your wig will come in when you guys do purchase off of their website. Wig will just come in this drawstring bag in this bright orange color because it's really bright orange. Hair clips, a hairpin, an edge brush, which is gonna actually I should take that out because that's gonna be useful for today's install. I'm gonna actually use this in today's video. Comb, wig cap, elastic band if you guys want to make sure that your wig is more secure. Sometimes I like elastic bands, sometimes I don't. It just depends how I'm feeling. Let's get on into this wig, you guys. So this is a V-part wig. I will have all the information to this wig in my description box as always. I will have the information right here on the screen because I cannot remember off the top of my head, you guys. I'm so sorry. I did go ahead, I did wash this hair. You guys seen in the beginning clips, I was using my spray bottle when it first came out of the box to kind of like wet the hair. But honestly, I would just suggest y'all just putting the whole wig in water and just wetting the whole wig. It's just so much easier. Also, I used some conditioner and I also used some curl enhancing products on this wig as well. This is what it looks like after it has been air dried. I think I might go ahead and wet it again. You can see these curls, like these curls are super popping after I added some of my curl enhancing products to the wig. This has 3 clips on each side, so with these clips you can open and close them, and these are going to be very useful in this install. It has 2 combs on this side as well, and then it has a comb on the bottom also. These are going to be the most important part of the install because these are going to help make sure that our wig is secure. So like I said, there's absolutely no lace in this wig, so basically your edges are going to be out. I really think these wigs would be really good for summertime because if you guys are like me, when I wear my wigs in the summertime, I be getting that annoying tan line and it is so annoying. I just have my hair out. I just my edges real quick with some, just use some Eco Styler and some Got To Be gels on my edges. Okay, Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig looks with absolutely no leave out. So you can honestly, it's up to you guys and your preference on if you want to wear it without leave out or with leave out, but I will be showing you guys both ways on how it looks with leave out and without leave out. As you can see, the hair is super puffy right now. Like I said, I did put water in it, and I think after a while it just got super puffy. So what I'm going to do is use my spray bottle, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my custard right here so I can help define the curls a little bit more. I kind of want the wet look. As for the parting, it already looks super natural, honestly, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tease it just a little bit. Okay, y'all, so as you guys have seen, I just added some water and some curl enhancing products. It really is your personal preference. I know me personally, I do like big hair. Sometimes I do like the wet look, so you can literally rock this any way you want to. This is the middle part. It is super natural. This is no leave out. So like I said, I will show you guys both ways. Now let's try this with some leave out. So you guys seen how I got this hairstyle from start to finish. You guys seen how easy it was to install this wig, considering there is no lace on this wig, y'all. Also, what I really love about this wig is that it looks so good with a leave out and without a leave out. Like right now I have no leave out with this wig. Like this is just the wig. It just looks so natural. So that's one thing I love about this wig, is the density of it. It is so full, it's so fluffy, as you guys can obviously tell. Put some water and some curl enhancing enhancing product in it, and it was dry in like 15 minutes or so. This is the finished product. I think the curls, after applying the curl enhancing products, the curls kind of like came back to life, and it just looks so good. Honestly, it just looks really natural, you guys. Like, it honestly could pass for like my real hair. So this wig was super easy to install. It's basically 1, 2, 3. It is super versatile. You guys can wear this in an updo, half up, half down, or ponytail, bun, low bun, high bun, whatever you want. You can probably do it with this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check my description box so you guys can know all the important details of this wig. I say thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
KTB, yeah, FBA, my man, yeah.